Welcome. Today, as you can see probably in the title, we're getting back on the Chevy. Ain't that right, Ellie?
Yeah!
So I got the fan bam loaded up. Ooh, what are you working on there?
Crafts.
Is this for spooky season?
No, it's just for the fall season.
Oh, okay. Y'all be sure to go check out her business page, Rockin' D Handiworks. I'll put a Instagram thing somewhere in there. Check out her stuff. Go support her if you're into that, or maybe your wives, or your sisters, or your moms. Yeah, say hello, Ellie. I'm doing a plug right now for your mother. But anyway, so we're going to Plano. We're gonna have to go pick up some DOM tubes so we can do the wishbone for the rear part of the Chevrolet. So that's where we're heading now. Let's go see what traffic does. See you in Plano. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is what about $45 here in the DFW area worth of freaking DOM tubing looks like. The difference, for those of you who don't know, this is tubing, this is pipe. Tubing pipe. So like this outer diameter is 1.5 inches. However, this is 1.5 inches pipe, but I don't think will take to bending as well as this, and this is supposed to be stronger. It's DOM. Shout out to Metal Supermarkets here in Plano for hooking it up. It was a pain in the ass. Nobody around us had that. They didn't have DOM. Everybody had piping, which is why I got a hell of a deal on that piping in the back there. I got 4 sticks for $3 a piece, so $12 for 4 sticks. Now I got 5 sticks, so freaking technically 1.5 inches pipe, but we needed 1.5 inches deal. So that, again, circling back, is what, $45. Ellie, they see you, not to keep waving, they see you. But that's what, about $45 worth of freaking DOM. That's 6 foot. Imagine building a race car.
No, thank you.
What do you think, Bubba? Oh yeah, he's on board with it. Here, you want to say hi now? Okay, that was awkward. All right, back to, I guess, Farmersville side until this evening. So we'll pick back up on Roy City when we start doing stuff on Old Blue. See you then. All right, so this is where we left off, as you guys remember. He, my father-in-law, has restaged this so we can get back to work on it today. And then I guess kind of has this laid out. And what were you saying? You think that we're gonna end up, I guess, welding that and cutting this and bringing it up on that saddle?
Yeah, we're gonna repurpose the original bracket saddle for the gas tank. So we'll end up cutting it off the frame, moving it up, trimming all this off, and re-weld it to this piece. Put a new bracket here. So we make it all one, what I call a Z bracket.
Okay,
and that'll give us a saddle for the tank to hook into, plus the keyhole down here, plus the mounting screw here. Keeps all that stock so you don't have to rebuild it.
And then what we bought this for, is DOM, is to replace this, what I've been referring to as the backbone of this wishbone, because that's why we were doing this last time, is to extend it to that so it would at least kind of be in place to not get all wonked out. So we have the material we need now to correct that. Or I'm not gonna say correct, but do it the way we want to do it. The way that he, as an engineer, professional engineer, sees it better, and obviously as somebody owns a truck, wanting it done to a certain caliber. I'll word it that way. I feel like that sounds better, I don't know. That's where we're at. So where do you think we need to start today with having everything set up? And
well, everything's leveled out now. We got all the brackets leveled, so we'll tack tubing together. Go ahead and tack this real quick so it's secure, and then we're going to start replacing that one piece of pipe in the wishbone and get that secured so we can pop it out, burn it in, put bushings back in, and we can say the wishbone's done.
Sounds like a plan. How are you liking this so far? Better than the analog? All right, well, I guess ain't nothing to it but do it. We'll get to work.
All right.
What do you think, Ellie Mae? Okay. So, night has started falling upon us out here. It's getting dark. Hey, take that hollering out there. Anyway, sorry, y'all. My kid is terrified of bugs. Don't judge my welds too bad. I literally just picked this up after not probably welding in, I don't know, a year or two. So, and I never was a professional welder. I think I said that. Don't knock me too bad in the comments. I know you're gonna give your inputs, but much needed assistance and guidance from my father-in-law. This is, we have now redone it. So what it is the reason why we had to redo it is like with the way, I think they were basing this off of was like the Infamous kit, which is a little bit shorter. So it would have worked perfect how we were doing that, but we're building our own and we're gonna push this up a little bit further. And so that's why we had to redo that backbone for the wishbone. So again, I wanna make sure I reiterate that I'm not bashing the way anybody was doing this before. It's just with the way we're doing it, that's why we're doing it this way. But this is where we're at for tonight. So the wishbone is welded in, it is painted, it's in. I re-tacked these brackets because I did have one come loose. So circling back to my welding skills, one of the tacks, it didn't break. It didn't break. I still to this day have not had a weld or tack break on me. So I'm very proud about that, but it did start giving and let that thing bend when we're trying to take it out. But anyway, this is where we're at for tonight. So I think tomorrow we'll be back on this. It's the game plan. Yeah, we got a score for tomorrow too. It's gonna be like, I think 102. So the index here in Texas tomorrow will be about 112. And this shop that we're in has no insulation, so it's gonna be a straight oven. But anyway, it'll be a second for you as always, and it's gonna be, you know, a full evening of rest. See you in a second. Let's just dive into picking up into tomorrow. Now, say welcome back.
Welcome back.
It's now Saturday. Stick. Yeah. We were back. It's officially a freaking scorcher out today. I think the index is gonna be like 102. As I was saying yesterday, it's gonna be hot, but we're out here messing with this. I think the plan right now is I'm gonna get this off, take it over to the table, and then get it all burned in. This that I'm pointing at, by the way, is a Crossmember. Get this burned in, and then I think the objective today is try to get this back, like, sorted in the truck where it's gonna live. Right now, I gotta unbolt that. Like I said, take this Z member out, and then put it on the table, burn it in, and then go from there. So do that, and I'll pick back up then. So see you in a second. So we got that, as y'all saw, all welded up and mocked back in, that being that crossmember again. And then what do you have right there?
All right, we're gonna design the bracket that goes on the driver's side. And so I've already mocked up the template and stuff. And I'll show you how it's gonna work. It's gonna slip under here, bolt through the existing crossmember holes of the crossmember that held the tank. And then this piece is formed to the frame, so it's arched, as you can see. So we'll bolt that down, that plate, put that there, and we're going to tack it and make our own side bracket. And once we're done with this one, we'll move over to the other side and do it in a similar manner.
And the material that we're using is this flat plate that you found over here, correct? Which is 1/8 inch thick, and it's just some stuff that he had laying around. So I don't know, how do you charge on used materials in Mike's garage?
Yeah, right, whatever.
I gotta figure out a way. I'm already using up quite a bit of his wire, gas. I'm running up a tab out here, but we'll get it sorted. But yeah, so he had this laying around. This is gonna be the donor piece that we're gonna use for these little bracket deals. So yeah, just want to do a quick update. All right. And by the way, this was rust. I did clean it up with a wire wheel, so it's clean material. Like I said, it is a used piece, but it's clean material. And this will be, like I said, the donor piece that we're gonna end up using. So he's already, like he's explained to y'all, he's already got the stuff measured out, you know, CAD right here, cardboard aided design. And then now it's just taking it from this point to here, and then from there onto the truck. So see you guys here in a second once we get some of this stuff cut out, organized, I guess. All right, so this still needs a little love. My father-in-law said he's gonna go through here and notch that. Don't judge my welds. These are all mine, so you can get in the comments and talk shit about me. But the brackets he came up with, as y'all saw, this is his design, his Z bracket, so it looks like it's gonna work. And I mean, yeah, we could have bought one of these from Infamous, and shout out to them, because it looks like it's a great product, but this has actually been kind of fun. It's a lot more work. You see me sweating my ass off, but it's been a lot more work, but it has been very fun, I will say. But yeah, he made the brackets, designed those as y'all saw, but now it's all burned in, welded in, and about to go back on the truck. Like I said, he's gonna do something right here, notch that out for the bed, I think is what he said, and then that part will be done, and then obviously we need the right hardware, and then the wishbone can be mounted up, and then it's getting the axle dropped, and then getting those hangers welded in. So still a lot of work, but slow process. But yeah, so this side of the project is essentially done. I have to work Sunday, so we're calling it a day, but my father-in-law here said that he's gonna continue probably tinkering with a little bit of the stuff here. So as for this project, this Crossmember is essentially done. Job complete. But anyway, as always, guys, if you enjoyed the content, be sure to subscribe. Please like this video, like I said, if you enjoyed it. And more of the old blue videos coming soon, I guess, as we stay steady on it. So anyways, see you on the next one.